We are heading away for the weekend, and I really wanted to make something a little extra special. These are going to make some beautiful pesto. When was the last time you used your carrot tops, all your onion greens, and your beet greens? Let me show you how. Cooking outside this time of year is something that I absolutely adore. Washing your veggies and simply taking off any greens that aren't something that you're going to want to eat. Set them aside and add them to your compost pile. When you're cutting your greens off of your carrots, notice that at the base of the greens, the stems are rather woody, so cutting those off and then again trimming them until you're at the tender tops. If you're using this year's garlic, you'll notice the skin can be a little closer to the clove than it typically is if it's dried and cured completely. Chopping enough greens to fill your food processor. And taking time to enjoy all the creatures around you. This guy just wanted to say hello. So I add about a tablespoon of salt, half a cup of sunflower seeds, 2 handfuls of nutritional yeast, adding in your olive oil. I'm adding here about half a cup at a time. What you see here is called sorrel. It has a beautiful lemon flavor and grows in our garden and around the yard. It's what many just call a weed. I love to use it in place of lemon. If you don't have it in your yard, you can feel free to add lemon juice in at about 3/4 to 1 tablespoon at a time. Simply taste it, add more as needed.